This is why you need macrobiotics for a healthier life. Stick around and hit subscribe for more wellness wisdom. Today, we're diving into the world of macrobiotics, a plant-based diet that can boost your health and wellness. What makes macrobiotics so special? It's all about balance, folks. First off, let's break it down. Micronutrients are vitamins and minerals. Think vitamin A, C, and D. These tiny nutrients pack a big punch for your health. Now, macronutrients are the big three: carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. These are the building blocks of your diet, giving you energy and strength. So how do you get the right balance? Easy. Eat a variety of foods from all food groups. Load up on fruits and veggies for those essential micronutrients. Don't forget your carbs, fats, and proteins for macronutrients. Why is this balance important? Micronutrients and macronutrients keep your body and mind in tip-top shape. They help prevent chronic diseases and can even boost your mood and energy levels. So remember, a healthy diet rich in both micronutrients and macronutrients is the key to a healthier, happier you. The macrobiotic diet has its roots in Japan, developed by George Osawa in the early 20th century. Osawa believed in the balance of yin and yang in food and lifestyle. Michio Kushi, a student of Osawa, brought macrobiotics to the West and popularized it. The key principles include eating whole grains, fresh vegetables, and avoiding processed foods. It's not just a diet, but a holistic approach to living in harmony with nature. Many notable figures, including John Lennon and Madonna, have embraced macrobiotics. They found it beneficial for their health and well-being. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tips from Holistic Wellness Realm. Stay healthy, stay happy.